Yo, welcome back everybody. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to bring these ugly yellow faded headlights back to life a little bit. I'm going to be using the Meguiars two-step headlight restoration kit. You can find this at Walmart. You can also do the sanding method. They'll probably come out better that way, but you'll have to buy certain amount of sandpaper, grit numbers and stuff like that. And with this, it comes with a little thing where you could just use your hand with. I already used them. I already use this kit a lot. And also what you can use, which I found works almost good, or if not better, is these little brushes. They're called the Scotch Brite non-scratch dishwash refills, everyday cleaning and stuff like that. There is other ones that are more harder. It's kind of almost like sanding. And these are not super duper hard. And then it comes with this little handle, so it just makes it easier just to polish it up, get rid of that yellowish. And I think this is a pretty good method. Most videos I see, they talk about, like, the sanding and stuff like that, and this is very affordable. Like I said, of course you want to mask it off so you don't get any of that this polish thing on your paint, because it does get really sticky. If you don't have that, I mean, you could just wipe it off, but I think it's just simpler, easier this way. You won't make like a mess on your paint or plastic here or whatever. And then it does come with a little headlight coating spray. You do 2 coats. You spray a coat, and then you wait 15 minutes, and then you put the second coat. And it just keeps them protected and nice and bright, I guess, or clear for a good year, and then a year, and then you'll want to put it again, spray it again, another coat. Yeah, it should be pretty simple, pretty affordable way. This thing does cost like 15-20 bucks in Walmart, or you can just order on Amazon or eBay. However you want to do it. This costs what, $2, $1. This comes like two bucks. I mean, you might have some tape lying around, so just put that. So it is going to be a pretty simple way. I do like doing this. It just makes the car look a lot more better, especially and it also makes it at night, you can see better, because the headlight's not getting blocked by all that yellowish faded stuff on the plastic here. And yeah, you just want to give it a nice little wipe down before you apply anything, just to get rid of any of that dirt that's been on there for a little while. Just a little wipe down. And yeah, we're gonna get started. We're gonna put this on this, and then yeah, well, I'm recording one hand, so I'm gonna do this off camera real quick. You want to put a good amount. I ended up putting a little bit more because it wouldn't come out from the top there, so I took the cap off. So yeah, you just want to go in little circular motions. I mean, it's not that hard. You can go a little bit more aggressive. It may come out a little bit better that way. And like I said, if you could just also use the hand method with the one that comes in the kit. This is actually my first time using this little handle thing. Kind of just makes it easier. You don't have to push or get your hands really dirty. So you just kind of want to do little circular motions. Get the side things here. Make sure you get those. Get in there. I'm doing like a medium force. You don't want to go too hard, because you might leave scratches, because of course this is a little scratchy. No, but yeah, just do little circular motions, and probably do this for what, 5 minutes straight, just to get a good rid of that yellow there. And of course you can use a drill, but I mean, that's more expensive. This is the cheap way. All right, I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna get your microfiber towel. This is a nice clean one. Oh, get a nice clean microfiber towel. You don't want to wait too long. Just wait a little bit, and then just get in there and just kind of just wipe it down. Give it a nice little wipe, and just like that, you kind of just bring it back to life that fast. If you don't like how yours came out, you just could do it again, of course. Maybe you didn't do it as long. I probably should have done a little bit longer. I would have got better results. But that's came out all right. And then you want to get the headlight coating. This is what's really going to make it look nice. So just comparing it from this to this, it already looks like way more better. So you just want to shake the little whole headlight coating thing. I want to shake it really good, actually. Give a nice little shake. Get this cap off. Get the cap off. And you don't want to do too heavy coats, especially in the beginning. You don't want to go too heavy. Actually, I might just give it a nice other wipe. just to get all that stuff out of there. Yeah, that should be all right. All right. You don't want to go too heavy on the coat, just because this stuff sometimes comes out a little watery. So yeah, that should be good. And just like that, just a little light coat, not too much, and you can already see it's coming out really, really nice. I mean, that's actually coming out pretty way better than I thought. Now we got to do this one. It's just the same process. And then, of course, I just did the first coat here. I'm going to wait about 15 minutes till it dries off, and then I do another coat. I mean, it's coming out pretty nice. Actually, it's coming out pretty nice. And I don't even feel like I did that good with the brush thing. So now we're going to do this one. Oh, my hand hurts. Oh, man. Whew. All right, my hand is pretty tired, I'm not gonna lie. Whew. All right, now we're just gonna give this a nice little wipe down. Oh, make it a mess. Just gonna give this a nice little wipe down. Hopefully it comes out as clear as this one. I'm about to say just wait a little bit, and then you wanna just kind of come in and just get all that out of there. Yeah. Oh yeah, that came out pretty good. Oh yeah, this is some pretty good work. I mean, and I'm my bad for the bad angles. I'm holding this with one hand and I'm doing this with the other hand. It'll be way simpler, y'all, when y'all do this with y'all both hands. And yeah, just buff it off. You might want to get another microfiber towel just to buff it off. Also, just get most of that off before you add the coating. Just do it like that, like so. I'm probably gonna end up grabbing another one. Oh yeah, this is a nice clean one right here. I just buff it off, get all that excess stuff there. Yeah, there you go. There we go. All right, let's get that off, and then we're gonna grab our, where's our coat? I was right. Gonna grab our headlight coating. Shake it off a little bit. After we spray that one, we're gonna do the second coat on this one, and then that should be it. Now we're gonna take that off, shake it a little bit. You want to do light coats again. Don't want to go too hard. Want to be at an angle. Make sure it doesn't spray. All right. Make sure it doesn't spray water. That's what I'm saying. There we go, just like so. I think I went a little bit hard on this one, but it still came out pretty good. This one, yeah, that one came out nice, man. And this one, wow, I think actually this one this one came out way better. What? Yo, that's crazy. This one came out better than the other one. I think it does. I think this one, the headlight inside is actually cracked up inside. I don't know if you guys can see that right here. It's inside. That one actually looks cracked up inside. This one looks not. Oh my God, this looks like brand new. That is crazy. That is, wow. That is some good stuff there, y'all. That is some great stuff. Now, woo. All right. So now we're just gonna wait it out, and then do the second coat. But I'm pretty sure that should be it for the video. Just wait the 15 minutes. Just be patient and then do the second coat. And you should be good for a year. Doing it in like 10 months, 12 months again. And this is pretty fun. This comes out pretty nice, man. Oh, man. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. I hope that I do upload this video because I've been stalling. I've really been stalling. But let me know what y'all think about the Meguiars Headlight coating. I think this stuff, it is amazing, especially if you actually do it right and just be patient with the coating, and then don't go too hard on it. I think it'll come out almost like a brand new headlight, just like this one. Wow, wow, that's crazy. Either way, let me know what y'all think. Take care, y'all. Stay safe out there. And I'm out of y'all. Peace.